Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, yellow color, red color, green color, black color and white color. Kids, now draw alphabets. And first we draw A. And here is blue color. A for apple, A for airplane, B for ball, B for bat. Kids, again use blue color and draw C for cat, C for car, D for dog, D for doll, E for egg, E for elephant. It's neither numbers. And first either 1. The numbers of 1. And here is yellow color. O N E 1. 2. T W 2. 3. T H R W 3. Kids, again use yellow color and draw 4. F O U R 4. 5. F I V E 5. Kids, neither shapes. And first we draw square. The shape of square. And here is red color. Red color. It's neither circle. The shape of circle. And here is green color. Green color. It's neither triangle. The shape of triangle. And here is black color. Black color. It's neither heart. The shape of heart. And here is blue color. Blue color. It's last we draw Easter. The shape of Easter. And here is yellow color. Yellow color. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.